Today we're gonna make shrimp with ginger, onion, garlic sauce. That's the shrimp we're gonna use. About 1 pound. You can use any size, smaller size or bigger size. But today we're gonna use about a pound, about about a dozen of the shrimp. So we try something new today. We're gonna use. We're gonna cut it into half. We're gonna cut in half like that. Okay, like that. See, like that. Okay, so I put it here. Put a little white pepper in it and some salt. We mix them up first. Just mix them around. Some cooking wine. So put some in it. Okay, then you're gonna put a little bit of cornstarch in it. Just enough to see they cover most of them. No, just enough like that. Okay, and that's it. And some oil. Okay, then heat up so pretty good. Then so you're gonna put some oil into it. You have to put a little bit more oil into it. Cover the whole pan. So like that. Okay, then we're gonna put the shrimp in it. You can cook it without the shell on it, or you can with the shell on it. But normally, if you cook it with the shell on it, you get more flavor, the shrimp flavor into it. And you can turn them over. They're browning up pretty good. See? See, you can see if you don't get enough, you can see didn't get see the oil, so you just add a little bit into it, just a little bit, you know, so enough to see the oil in it. They're real easy to cook, you know. Shrimp are pretty easy to cook. But this way, you have to mix until they cook it kind of browning up pretty good to get the flavor out of the shrimp, you know. The skin, from the shell, okay? And they have the flavor to it. You can see the brown up there, they have flavor to it. Yeah, they look pretty much the same right now. So you kind of fry everything on the side, and you probably put a little bit more oil into it, because you're going to put some garlic into it, 2 tablespoons, and some ginger, chopped up ginger, probably 2 tablespoons. Like that. And the green onion. And some green onion. So you try to kind of cook them down a little bit. Sesame seed oil into it. Half tablespoon. And some white pepper again. And now we have to sprinkle some of the sugar in it. You know, you just sprinkle, depend on how much shrimp how big the item you're gonna make. So you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar in each one. You know, make sure they're on each one. So sugar. That will make this create a little sauce, sticky, kind of like brown. Like that. And some soy sauce. One tablespoon of oyster sauce. And you're going to put some green onion and cilantro in it. And 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry. Okay, this is that's a shrimp and garlic ginger onion sauce.